Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Today we are going to start by our subject English. Icebreaker and brainstorming activity of our chapter 1.6 Into the Wild. Starting by the icebreakers of the chapter. The first question is, narrate any incident in your life when you were extremely terrified or awestruck. Here I have given you the answer of it. You can write more better one according to you. Okay, so you can write like, once upon a time I was there in the farm. At that time I was in 10th standard. I had gone to the farm with my mother. My mother was working in my farm with other ladies. She wanted me to sit under the tree and study. While studying I felt sleepy and I slept. Meanwhile, a snake came over there. The snake stopped as I was the obstruction in its way. My mother saw it. She ran towards me. She waked me up. I, in utter sleep, looked towards the snake. Snake looked me. As I got conscious, I was frightened, terrified to see the situation. I was unable to decide where to run. Then I ran away in opposite direction of snake. This was an extremely terrified incident in my life. Or you can write that like, I was traveling with my parents to Mahabaleshwar. My father was driving the car. The hilly road had extremely steep turns. From the back seat of the car I could see the cars coming up and I felt they were as if bent on one side. I was terrified and was praying to God to reach our destination safely. Okay, or we can write by your own self also. Moving to the next. Here you have to complete the following table. Three column has been given to you. First one is done. The reason you have to write, factor which add to it, and the solution. So what is it? While discussing about strange creatures, this is the reason. Factor, you have to write at midnight in the absence of parents. Solution, avoid such discussion stories as they are baseless. So here you have to write about the reason, okay, then the factor which add to it, and about the solution. So see the second one, reason, thought of exam. The main point is thought of exam. You are thinking about exam. Factor, scaring by friends, thinking about paper, student gossips. What is the solution of this thing? That we have to think positively, study on regular basis, continuously. Third one, incomplete homework. Factor, others complete homework thinking of teachers scolding or beating. Solution, do your homework regularly, tell the truth, ask doubts to your teacher. Moving further to the next question. Here we have to complete the table as given below are various activities which you can pursue as your hobby, passion or profession. Complete the table accordingly. Now you have to tick mark it. Maybe whatever the activity has been given to you. See, two has been given to us completed, painting and traveling. So is painting is your hobby, is traveling is your hobby, or it is your passion, or it is your profession? That you have to mark. And then you have to mention the challenge, or it is the reason, or it is the both. Okay, so R is stands for reason, C for challenge, and B for both. Okay, so moving further to the third one, that is the wildlife photography. So you can write as it is the hobby and passion, and in the age of computers, limited professional scope. Then activities, conserving environment. So it is passion and profession. And answer you have to write, in careless world it is a responsibility. Fifth, bird watching. It is your hobby and passion. It's awesome and interesting, captivating, refreshing the mind. Next, match the following wildlife sanctuary with their location. See, column A it is wildlife sanctuary and B it is location. Bandipur National Park, location Uttarakhand. Kazingara National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Jim Corbett National Park, Karnataka. Ranthambore National Park, Assam. Kanha National Park, Rajasthan. So you have to match the correct location. So moving further to the answer. First, Bandipur National Park, correct location is Karnataka. Kaziranga National Park, it is located at Assam. Jim Corbett National Park, located at Uttarakhand. Ranthambore National Park, located at Rajasthan. Kanha National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh. Now here we have completed by our icebreakers of our chapter number 1.6 into the wild. Now starting by the brainstorming activity of the chapter. In pairs, discuss the profession and challenges one can take happily if one is really passionate about the job. Answers, you can take a screenshot and write down the answer, or you can write much better than this also. So I'm just reading the answer. Every job profession is filled with certain burdens, anxiety and challenges. No job is an easy one. If we see about wildlife experts, wildlife photographers, wildlife conservators, all require lots of courage to go through. There is great risk of losing one's life, but passion is the thing that overcomes the anxiety and tensions. Different businesses, a cop or a military job, a scientist, and even a job as a motorbike driver in a well of death, all are full of danger. But thereafter, people are in queue to join such jobs. If we are passionate about our chosen job, we are happy to do it. Job in medical fields is much dangerous in some epidemicity like corona, plague, etc. But that is the passion which makes person mentally prepared to fight against all this and make us stand firmly in extremely adverse situation. A1. Second question. In groups, organize a role play activity associated with wildlife expert, wildlife photographer, wildlife conservator, explaining the differences and similarities involved in their profession. Okay, so here you have to write in parts, two parts. Your answer will be about their differences as well as their similarity. What is the similarity between them? Okay, related to their profession. So here we start by wildlife expert first. Study wildlife, their habitat and how they interact with each other. This can be done in various ways, including protecting their habitats, trying to increase the population of endangered species and working to resolve issues between man and animals. Second is wildlife photography is a genre of photography concerned with documenting various forms of wildlife, their natural habitats. It requires photography skills. Wildlife photographers may require some skills like hide or blind for concealment while photographing some species. Next, wildlife conservation is the practice of protecting plants and animal species and their habitats as a part of the world's ecosystem. Wildlife provides balance and stability to natural processes. Thus, wildlife expert, now here combination we are giving. Thus, wildlife expert, wildlife photographers and wildlife conservators have to work differently in the same area field of wildlife. Besides this, there are some similarities. So here we have shown the differences. Now we are going to show the similarities between these three. Now the first is love and attraction for wildlife. Second, efforts to preserve plants and animal species that are in danger. Third, study ecology and try to maintain balance between animals and human beings. Fourth, make people aware about rare species of plants and animals and their significance. A2. First one, arrange the following incident in the proper sequential order as they occurred in part 1. So here see the points that the 4 points have been given to you. Writer realized that he was lost in the woods. Second, the langur saw the leopard. The author was moving from the jungle as quietly as possible, finding his way through the thickest. The author met a villager. Now we have to arrange. So the proper arrangement is A. The author was moving from the jungle as quietly as possible, finding his way through the thickest. B. The langur saw the leopard. C. The author met a villager. D. Writer realized that he was lost in the woods. Next, correct the false statement. Um, Earlier, Shah was in field of finance. Answer is true. So no reason is required over here. B. BCRTI was founded out of the genuine urge of conserve the habitat of the wildlife. Answer is true. Again, there is no requirement of reason. C. Shah failed to utilize the finance incurred out of tourism. This is false, hence we required reason of it. So the reason is Shah utilized the finance incurred out of tourism to good use as to provide locals with vocational training in order to conserve the forest, animals, habitat and to help people benefit from tourist currency. D. According to the local agriculturist, seeing is more essential than listening. So this is again false because according to the local agriculturist, listening is more essential than seeing. Moving further, third one, complete the given verb, part 1. And fourth one is also complete the following, that is from part 2. So first we are going to complete the verb, signs of the vicinity of village. So the first box will come sounds of cattle, second lightning, lamps, marking of vehicles, cars, bicycle or smoke, sounds of loudspeaker, temple bell or prayer. Fourth one, responsibility handled by Shahs. First, man-animal conflict resolution seeker. Second, wildlife photographer. Third, cinematographer. Third, big cat tracker. Next, founder of BCRTI. Now see your fifth one, complete a flowchart stating the reaction of the petrified to the presence of the leopard. Kayak alarm call. The next answer will be alarm calls by leader out of fear of life. The next period to trees near secured their places. Even small one were giving alarm calls. Complete the verb describing each step taken by the writer as a solitary traveler while moving in the jungle with great precaution. So here what precaution here the writer has taken, the two has been given to us, camouflaging the height, grasping various sound. More four we have to write. See, put every step cautiously, try to make minimal sound while moving forward. Got the leader, langur, target, sight and scan the area visually. Paid attention towards the chores by animals. Now here seventh one, complete the table explaining the qualities that you would like to imbibe from nature within yourself and provide a reason for the same from trees and from streams. So the quality and reason, this thing you have to write. So the quality of the trees are generosity, kindness, helping, tolerance. What is the reason? So these are the qualities which are imbibable from trees. People having such qualities are the best human and they live their life with full of satisfaction. Then stream qualities, continuity, moving forward in all condition, not to stop, bringing life wherever it goes, energetic, optimistic. These are the quality of stream. Okay, now the reason, a stream is a symbol of all above qualities which are imbibable to successful in life. Moving further, A3, first use appropriate phrases, expression from the extract given in the brackets, time and again, to one's heart content, frantic speed in a jiffy. So for the first one, I was on diet for some day, but today I am going to eat my heart's content. Second, time and again, every mother scolds her children time and again for overuse of the mobile phone. Then in a jiffy, all their educational problem was sorted out in a jiffy because of the funds given by an NGO. Then frantic speed, Raj ran at a frantic speed to catch the train. I hope this is the easiest phrase framed over here. Okay, if you feel that it is too hard, so you can make a better one, but it should be correct. Okay, moving further. A4, first one. Begin the following sentences with the words given in the brackets. I can guide visitors. So the bracket word is visitors. Animal are paying me back. The behavior of the first Black Panther is being documented. Okay, so you have to write it down. So here is the answer. I can guide visitors. Visitor can be guided by me. Animals are paying me back. I am being paid back by animals. The behavior of the first Black Panther is being documented. They are documenting the behavior of the first Black Panther. All the research on the animal has been done through camera traps. So here they have done all the research on the animals through camera traps. Madigoa is employed by the bison. Bisons employs Madigoa. The surroundings were reminding me. I was being reminded by the surroundings. Then next, Raju was amazed at my solitary visit to Ambazara. My solitary visit to Ambazara amazed Raju. I found a bright red soil trail. A bright red soil trail was found by me. Old leopards like pardos carry away livestock from village. Livestock from villages was carried away by older leopards like pardos. I have lost almost 80% of season's yield of sugarcane. 80% of season's yield of sugarcane has been lost by me. Tracking an animal also teaches you life lessons. Life lessons are also taught you by tracking an animal. Many things have been taught to me by the forest. The forest have taught me many things. Resentment among local towards the animal is created by this. This creates resentment among local towards the animals. Next, rewrite the sentence by using not only but also. I hope you people are aware about not only but also. It is the easiest grammar, right? Moving further, the petrified langurs speeded to the trees near and far and secured their places on the tree tops. The petrified langurs not only speeded to the trees near and far but also secured their places on the tree tops. Okay, Ambazara is the heaven for tigers, leopards, and sloth bears. Ambazara is the heaven for not only tigers, leopards, but also sloths, bear. I crossed the cement pillar and stones stacked by the Forest Development Corporation. I crossed not only the cement pillars, but also instead of and we have used but also stones stacked by the Forest Development Corporation. Starting by next, A5 first, your college had decided to celebrate the World Environment Day. Mr. Kiran Purandare, this is the author of our chapter, has been invited as the chief guest for the event. Imagine you are the secretary of the Nature Club of your college and you have to conduct an interview of Mr. Kiran Purandare. Frame 8 to 10 questions for the same. So here are the questions for the interview. First, what attracted you towards the wildlife studies? Second, what was your experience at Jordan Hill College of Education in Scotland? Third, how did you feel when you won Sahitya Puraskar? Fourth, how did you spend 400 days inside the Naxira and nearby forest? Fifth, what is your responsibility as a wildlife expert? Sixth, what according to you is very important for nature conservation? Seventh point, tell us something about Pizzari. 8. What is Kika's Bird Club and how does it work? 9. What is your recent research? 10. What message would you leave for the people interested in bird watching and wild animals habitat preservation? A5, second one. Imagine you have visited the jungle of Nagarhole. Write a report to be published in your college magazine in a local newspaper. I visited Nagarhole Reservoir on 31st of December 2019. Nagarhole, officially known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park, is one of the best managed parks in the country, offering a very good park experience. At Nagarhole, I enjoyed game drivers, jeep safari, boat ride and elephant ride. Nagarhole Park is open throughout the year and offers extensive sighting for wild elephants, bisons, wild dogs, fox and crocodile. Tigers and leopards are more elusive and not spotted as often. I visited Kabini area. The company has created a splendid lake to the south of the park, which separates it from Bandalpur Tiger Reserve. Nagarhole is derived its name from Naga means snake and hole refers to as streams. Nagarhole Park is declared as 37th Tiger Reserve in India. It is also considered as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Three of the park, namely Bandipur, Modumali, and Vayanand Wildlife Sanctuary, are adjacent to the Nagarhole. I spotted their Bengal tigers, Indian leopards, bears stripped behind, which are the predators that I could spot in the park. Again, I spotted some herbivores like elephants, chital, samba deer, and barking deers. Around the national park, it was a fabulous and thrilling experience. Nagarore is 200 to 222 kilometers from Bangalore and 60 to 80 kilometers from Mysore. It's a wildlife destination and usually popular for nature tourism. My riverside lakeside experience and resorts around Kabini Reservoir are unforgettable. I enjoyed nature walk, bird watching, jeep safaris. It is the only park to visit for tiger sighting. It certainly is one of the best reservoirs for bird watching. Nagarhole Sanctuary is really heaven for wild animals and heaven for us if we are little interested in loving birds and animals. See here, spelling mistake has been happened in heaven, so make a correction over here. Okay. By mistake, E has not been printed in the spelling of heaven. Moving further, A5, third one. Shahs has contributed towards conserving the wild animals and their habitat. Your college has decided to spread the message in the society and arrange a rally, prepare an appeal to ensure maximum participation, informing about the day, date, and other relevant details. BCRTI, Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India, was founded by Shahs to solve the conflict between animals and humans and to secure and preserve animal habitat. He brought awareness among the villagers on the edges of the forest that animals are our friends and they can pay us with several means. BCRTI has minimized conflict of human beings regarding wild animals and their lives. The human cannot save this earth without wild animals. Then why don't we try to save them and their habitats? They can be our friends in different ways. Besides this, we should visit to Nagarhole or any such reservoir once in our life. This is the message given by Shahs. Nature is a great teacher and a guide. Complete the mind map and as instructed as per the title concept. Nature teaches, most importantly, never to stop discovering. So more four we have to write in the box. So here I hope you can see this earth belongs to every creature, biggest or smallest. Listening is more important than seeing. Importance and value of protecting animals, never to stop discovering, to live happily in adverse condition. Forest is constantly communicating. I hope slide is visible to all of you. Moving further to the next question. A6, first one. Surf the net and obtain more information about the conservation work done by Shahs. Prepare posters to inspire others and display them on your college notice board. Okay, so this is a kind of homework to you people. So likewise, you can make it out in your book. First world wildlife photographer captured black panthers so intimately. Founder of BCRTI, Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India, gave wildlife education to villagers to be friendly with animals, started discovering in different areas of wildlife, enabled people to live happily in adverse conditions, created employment as guide for villagers. So here, safe wildlife, safe ecology. Don't interfere into wildlife habitat. A6 second one, find out information about the qualification and eligibility required in the profession related to wildlife such as forest officer, ranger, wildlife photographer, environmentalist, geologist, tour manager. Forest officer and ranger. Candidate between 18 to 30 years of age are eligible to apply. The age limit varies from state to state. Qualification for a candidate interested in becoming a forest ranger should have degree in natural sciences, mathematics, zoology, statistics, mechanical, civil, chemical engineering or agriculture. Next, wildlife photographer. Candidates who have cleared 12th exam are eligible for the diploma certificate courses in wildlife photography. There is no such age limit for becoming a wildlife photographer. If you have a bachelor or master degree, then you can go for this profession. Next one, environmentalist. To become an environmentalist, aspiring candidate must have at least master degree in environmental science, physics, physical sciences, or alike. This can also help one become an environmentalist. Next, geologist. Eligibility to become geologist is a candidate must have bachelor degree in geology, earth sciences, or related scientific field. After doing graduation, a candidate can pursue master in the field for higher education. Candidate must have doctoral degree, PhD also. Next, tour guide. Candidates who have completed 12th education with minimum 50% marks are eligible. There is no maximum age limit to apply for this course. Tourism offices of Government of India are located in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata conduct a tour guide training program. So here I completed by the brainstorming activity. Okay, we have completed by the icebreakers and brainstorming activity of our chapter 1.6 Into the Wild. I hope you have understood it and you are going to complete your book on time. So, till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much for listening.